Hey everyone, Tasson with Dead Air Silencers, and I'm happy to talk to you guys today about the Nomad family of silencers. The Nomad family of silencers comes in a 30 caliber bore size with a variety of materials. They're perfect for precision and bolt gun hunting applications, as well as works with AR-15s and any other standard mid-size rifle. The Nomad family comes made with two different materials, 17-4 stainless and titanium. In addition to these materials, you're going to see them come in two finishes, our standard black Cerakote as well as our bead blasted titanium raw finish. The titanium cans come both in this raw finish and in a black configuration. As I said before, the Nomad series is a 30 caliber bore. They're all 1.735 inches in diameter and they go up to 4,400 foot-pounds of energy. This is going to allow you to shoot anything from 300 Norma Magnum on down to 223-556. The Nomad L and Nomad LT are going to come in 8.4 inches in length, and the standard Nomad and Nomad TI are going to come in 6.5 inches of length. Our standard Nomad and Nomad L series in the 17-4 stainless can be shot on a full auto rate of fire. With the Nomad Titanium and Nomad LT, we recommend that you shoot no more than 1 to 2 magazines rapid fire and you keep the temperature below 800 degrees. The Nomad TI is going to come in at 9.7 ounces in weight and the Nomad LT is going to come in at 12.6 ounces in weight. The Nomad 30 is going to come in at 14.5 ounces in weight. Your Nomad L is going to come in at 18.3 ounces in weight, as seen here. Featuring a 2-chamber baffle design to bleed off excessive pressure inside the silencer with extremely reduced first round pop, the Nomad series are designed for high pressure and low pressure cartridges, so you don't have to choose what to optimize for. Like we mentioned before, there's a little bit of a heat rating on our Nomad Titanium series of silencers. So I want to just go into a little bit of considerations when picking which Nomad's right for you. The Nomad TIs are going to be lighter, like we mentioned, and designed primarily for bolt gun and DMR applications, as well as hunting when you're out there hiking trying to get some big game. The Nomad 30 is great for that as well, but it has an additional full auto rating. So if you want to put that on your shorty AR-15s, any other short barreled rifle, any mid-size rifle, or you want to shoot prolonged strings of fire, that's what I'd recommend for you. Our Nomad series of silencers are going to take your standard 1 3/8 by 24 hub adapter accessories. This is going to include our Xeno and our Chemo adapters, as well as a plethora of direct thread options. Another great accessory for the Nomad family is going to be our e-brakes. These are sized specifically in the 1.73 inch diameter and help diffuse the recoil and reduce a slight bit of sound to your silencer. Additionally, we have a new silencer added to this family. This is going to be our Nomad Xeno Precision Kit. Your Xeno Precision Kit is going to come with your 5/8 by 24 Omni brake, your Xeno adapter, Nomad TI in black, which we've never offered before, your e-brake, your DA208 front cap tool, and TL tool pack. These 4 silencers here, the Nomad 30, Nomad L, Nomad TI, and Nomad LT, are going to come with your 5/8 by 24 direct thread adapter and your TL tool pack. People often ask us how you should maintain these silencers, and while centerfire rifle calibers don't get too dirty, some ammunition can be extremely dirty. For cleaning, I would recommend that you take off your rear cap with the supplied tools, your front cap, and then soak it in a mixture of CLR from the hardware store and water. This 50-50 mix will help remove the majority of your carbon inside the silencer. With this mixture, you'll want to do it in a well-ventilated area. You can soak it from 2 up to 24 hours with no issues. This should reduce a significant amount of carbon. Ask your local stocking dealer about the Nomad 30, Nomad L, Nomad TI, Nomad LT, and the new Xeno Precision Kit, and check it out at deadersilencers.com.